So for the web Pentester lab, we're now going to do directory traversal. So this comes from a lack of filtering and encoding of information used as a path by an application. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna try to access files by this method. So for example, this one should work. If we want to access a file, we should uh, do this directory. But if we use this one, we should get an error. So for the example number one, we have to do this vulnerable dir example number one PHP file, and we should access the information that's provided right here. That's password and such. So we're gonna go open a new tab. We're gonna put the IP address that we use for the same lab, but we're gonna add the rest of the URL with the information provided in the example. We're gonna hit enter, and as you can see, we get all the information that we need right here. Now moving on towards the second example, we're gonna take the image address, paste it, and we'll find all this random information right here, but we're gonna try to access the information that we want. So we should go here into files and should do the same thing as we did before. And we should obtain the rest of the information accordingly. Moving on towards the example number 3, we're gonna copy the image address, paste it, and go into we'll obtain this same information that we saw before. We're gonna try to replicate what we did. Firstly, I'm gonna do it erroneously, so you can see it doesn't work as we did before. We just get blank. But if we continue adding directory traversal here, and at the end we add the URL and code, that would be %00, we should get, and we do get, the information that we need. That would conclude the 3 examples of directory traversal from the web Pentester lab.